Well, hello everybody. I wanted to share this beautiful bouquet of roses that I got for my retirement from my family. It was such a gorgeous bouquet when I got it, and yellow is my favorite color of rose. So I'm going to show you the live roses that are left, and I decided to, since the baby's breath was still so beautiful, to replace the roses that had the blooms had died with some silk roses. So purchased some silk roses, and so I'm changing them as the real ones go out. But as I was pulling them out, I noticed that the stems had new roots and leaves forming on them. And so I wondered if they could be planted in the ground. I went and looked it up online, and you can. So I'm filming this so that we can go back and look at the experiment when I'm all done. But just follow me into the kitchen really quick, and I'm going to show you what I've done. Let's go in here and we'll look really quick at these. Now these are the stems. As you can see, they have new growth on them. And so the instructions say to cut off the head, which I did. This is what the heads are looking like as they were, I don't want to use the term dying, but wilting, as they were wilting. So I cut those off, and then you're supposed to cut the bottom and the head off at an angle. So you can see that I've angle cut them. So I'm going to plant these in the yard, in the back, and I may put a couple in front. And then we're going to come back and look to see if I really got some roses. Alrighty, and go online and look up the instructions. Maybe you've gotten a bouquet of roses and didn't know you could plant them in your yard. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.